With a low price of around $200 and amazing characteristics such as an octa-core processor and 6 cameras, the Infinix Note 8 is one of the best phones you could find nowadays. Before we start with the video, please make sure to subscribe and to hit the like button if you like my content. So, let's start with the video. The Infinix Note 8 comes with a clean design that makes the phone look very premium, despite just costing $200, and comes in 3 colors: blue, silver and white. Talking about the power of the phone, the Infinix Note 8 will not have any problems at the time of running demanding games or with multitasking, since it comes equipped with an octa-core processor, the MediaTek Helio G80, which is not very popular, but from what I've seen it seems to be very powerful. Besides, you also get 6GB of RAM, which in my opinion is a good amount to have a great experience with no lag at the time of playing games, watching videos or with multitasking. Talking about the screen, you have an absolutely huge display, and trust me, when I say huge, it's literally huge, since the Note 8 has a 6.9 inches display that comes with a peak brightness of 480 nits, which is impressive for a smartphone this cheap, and makes it perfect for enjoying multimedia content. However, there are two main downsides when it comes to the display. The first one is that the display has just a 720p resolution, which is still HD and looks amazing, but it would have been great if you could get 1080p. The second problem you could get with a screen this big is that the phone is not very portable, and it may be difficult to fit it in your pocket. So I would only recommend it if you love to use your phone heavily for games or multimedia content, since in that way you will be able to get the maximum potential of the phone. At the time of taking photos, you also get a surprising good quality, as the Infinix Note 8 comes with a quadruple rear camera setup that includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor, another 2 sensors with 2 megapixels each, and an artificial intelligence lens that helps with the video stability to make your videos clear and stable. The front camera has 16 megapixels and the photos look sharp and clear. I think you could take pretty nice shots with the Note 8 since you have a super macro lens to focus very close objects, a portrait mode, a slow motion mode, and a night mode which is not going to give you very sharp and clear photos, but overall I think it's not that bad. The battery capacity of the phone is pretty good, as it has a 5200 mAh battery that will surely give you a whole day of autonomy. If you don't use your phone too much, the battery could even last you 2 days, and for heavy users, you could be with your phone all day without needing the charger. The storage capacity in the Note 8 is very good, since it has 128GB of storage to store all your apps, games, photos and files. I think this is more than enough for anyone, and I truly think that no one should have any problem with the storage capacity in the Note 8. In addition, the phone comes with Android 10 with Infinix XOS 7.1 software on top that will give you a fluid and fast experience. Also, for those who like watching movies in their phones, you have a good audio quality with the DTS stereo sound that will give you an immersive audio experience. The Infinix Note 8 is just an amazing smartphone that truly gives all people the opportunity to have a good phone with good specs that you wouldn't normally expect having in a $200 phone. Comparing it to other phones in the same range of price, you will not find anything like this. The phone which gets closer to the Note 8 in that range of price is the Redmi Note 8 from Xiaomi, but it doesn't have many good characteristics. That's why I think the Note 8 by Infinix is way better. Tell me guys, what do you think about the Note 8? Do you think it's a good option for you? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon and take care.